Yeah, people, some of this a sample soup and I was gonna see what go on. I don't know say it all nice, I don't know it go already, but that one is really nice. I mean, now make up nothing nice, man. Nice, people, nice. It was rich and everything. No. Yeah, how do you normally sell me, G?
Yeah, jerk chicken, vegetable soup.
And soup, okay. Yeah, nice. Yeah, and so why should people come and Piggy Place? We say the best. Can't me see people talk about Piggy Place, you know?
Yeah, it is everything.
Oh, everything different.
Yeah.
You don't know the Sierra Chicken card with you, because it's next media. Keep it locked.
Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's your boy Dex Media. Yeah people, so right down there so them have the bus stops. And you can park your vehicle right over the corner here. Over the corner you can park your vehicle. Yes. Alright people, so we're approaching Piggy's place right now. We're gonna see what we're going. Piggy place there, right over there so. So one of the best street restaurant. Yeah, Piggy place. What going? Man, yeah, I'm gonna make a voila. Yeah people, so right now we're at Piggy's place. The best street restaurant you can find. Yeah, the best street restaurant. Yeah, so how do you normally sell? Everything?
Yeah, jerk chicken, vegetable.
No. Yeah, how do you normally sell me, G?
Yeah, jerk chicken, vegetable soup.
And soup, okay. Yeah, nice. Yeah, and so why should people come and Piggy Place? We say the best. Can't me see people talk about Piggy Place, you know?
Yeah, it is everything.
Oh, everything different.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Different quality, you know?
Different quality, okay. So when open?
Straight to the way, straight from Monday to Saturday.
Monday to Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, man. Alright, I want to take credit card and everything. So I want to see it, people. I want to can just bring on a credit card and think I'm good to go. Yeah, man.
Sure.
Alright. Alright, big up. Number? I don't have a number. I want a phone number there, so I don't have a number. Alright. The people, Piggy's place. Alright people, so right now we are going to tour the place, you see it people? Yeah. I know it's right over here, so them have one little part where yeah, then do things right so. Oh, go on Elda. Yeah man, a Dex one from Buffy, you see it? Let's make a quick pass through man, you see it? Yeah, make people and see what I'm going. Come here, say you're bad from what you are doing, you see it? You know, say one video I watch my YouTube and I say you do something else. I not even know say you do something else. Yeah, one YouTube from Trinidad. Yeah, I see my showcase a thing, you see it? Yeah. So you say you make saving pan, every little thing. Every little thing I make right so. So who them for accident and then come here so? Skill man. Alright. I'm still want to save in pan them, so I can show them. Alright, yeah man. See that people? Yeah man, so I want to saving pound and come right here. Alright. Sorry about that, bro. See that people? So that street here, so we are tour today, you see it? We are walk all the way up to Folly. Yeah, me get a request. See the people, place. But this we have a nice guest house. Yeah man, the place really a developed nice, man. I tell you. Yeah, the funny man. The people, Wi-Fi the everywhere, you know, people. Free Wi-Fi the everywhere. Beautiful beach over there, so people. I see street vendor the people. You have street vendor everywhere, people. You see it? Yeah man, and just one place you have street vendor. Over there so you have a jerk man seeing you. Whoa. So we just take time and go through seeing we in the people, you see it? Yo, short man. You're good. When you see at the real soup man, you test out in soup. I general man. Yeah, me G, you remember me? I stop with the car man. And with him realize you're not there, so. I get one liquor on it then.
Junkie cola, man.
Alright, thanks. Alright people, so I just get a soup. So I'm gonna do sample it now. And see what I go and feed as it. Yeah, I'm gonna sample that soup you know. See what I go and feed. Alright, look how I go on people, see how this look good? Whenever I ask the man what kind of soup you know, but it look like a nice soup. Yeah man, peas and everything is it, yeah. Yeah people, some of this a sample soup and I was gonna see what I go on. I don't know say it all nice, I don't know it go already, but that one is really nice. I'm gonna make up nothing nice, but nice, people nice. It was rich and everything. Alright people, so we are continue seeing where you see it. Alright people, so we are continue seeing where you see it. Yeah man, we are continue seeing where. I say yeah, Prestige Funeral Home right over here, so people, you see? Yeah, Prestige Funeral Home. Yeah, a New Testament church over there, so. Alright, over there, so you have one next street restaurant over there, so see, you see it, people? So all that street here is for food. When you check levels, can be a street restaurant there over here, people. Yeah. See people, street restaurant right over there, so. People more while me love to highlight the people in business, but more while the people are going like some I have to beg them for highlight them business. So me not really want to highlight. Look, me want to highlight the people in business, but sometimes them shame me too much, man. You understand what I say, people? But me just do it same way. Cause I do this video for you guys. Is it over here? So you look like so them have a loan office right over there, so. I put a sign here now, sir. This is Birddale. I'm sure a sign, so over there you would have go to reach Birddale side. That's it, people? Yeah, that's the lane to Birddale, right over there. Right over to your right hand side that I'm pointing the camera. Water is so dirty. Water is dirty though, people. So people, right now we are approach the craft village, is it? I'm on the craft village right over here. Right over to your left. I'm gonna point the camera. And over to your right you have Carter Park. The Carter Park right over there, people. Right over there. Right over here, as I telling you earlier, yeah, this is the craft village. And sell food, everything over there. And I tell you, so this is a food street, people. Yeah, man. If you're hungry and come on the street, you can't live without your belly full. Right over there, so you have Carter Park. That did my old. It's a firework though. See the people? Right over there, they have a craft village. Yeah, man, the craft village right over there, son. Taxi man nearly splashed me, you know. But baby, I'm here to move from here, so hey, taxi man I drive fast and then see water on the road. Taxi man ain't easy at all, yeah, man.